Hello, I'm Megumi. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is a 15-minute yoga practice designed to help you feel rooted and supported. We'll connect with the energy of the root chakra, also known as Muladhara chakra, located at the base of the spine. This chakra governs our sense of safety and stability. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Feel your weight equally on both hips. Rest your palms on your thighs with your eyes closed. Bring your awareness into the body, especially feel the area of root chakra, the base of your spine, around your hips. You are supported, you are grounded. You are supported, you are grounded. These are the affirmations we'll be using in this class. Then take a few deep belly breaths. As you inhale, let your belly expand. And as you exhale, gently draw your belly in. Breathe in and breathe out. Each time you exhale, release any tension from your body and your mind. Take another deep breath. Slowly open your eyes. Come into all fours. Place your wrists under your shoulders, your knees under your hips. Let's do cat and cow. Inhale. And as you exhale, round your spine, draw your belly in, chin to chest. As you inhale, lift your tailbone up, drop your belly, open your heart. Continue these movements with your breath. Inhale to open. Exhale to round. Feel the earth beneath you. You're supported. You're grounded. Then come back to table position. We are gonna move into low lunge position. Step your right leg forward. Bring your left knee a little bit backward. Come up. Take your pelvis. Feel your legs strong. Your spine is nice and long. As you exhale, bend your right knee. And inhale, straighten your right leg, pointing your right toe. Exhale, bend your right knee, go forward. Inhale, bring your hips back. Keep going. Maintain your balance. We're activating our legs. The next time you come forward, stay here. Place your palms on your right thigh. Lift your chest up. Reach your arms up over your head. Gaze upward. Low lunge. Exhale, lower your pelvis a little bit more. Feel the ground. Lower your arms onto the mat. Move into modified side plank. Bring your left heel to the wrong edge of the mat. Walk your hand to the back side of the mat. Reach your right arm up and over. Big side body stretch. Relax your head and neck. Lower your right arm. Come back to center. Move into half split. Extend your right knee. Fold forward over your right leg. Point your right toe to the sky. Okay, then place your palms on the mat. Kick your left heel back. Energize your legs. Lengthen your spine long. Okay, then come up to Warrior 2. Turn your left toe to the long edge of the mat and bend your right knee deeply. Open your arms wide, parallel to the floor. Inhale, extend your right knee. Take your right wrist with your left hand. Side body stretch. Lean to the left. Exhale to Warrior 2. Let's repeat. Inhale, side stretch. Exhale to Warrior 2. Go deeper. Inhale, come up. Exhale to Warrior 2. Stay here. Roots down through both feet. Feel the earth. Lower your arms. Come into downward facing dog. Right foot meets the left. Paddle your legs. Bend one knee and the other. Bend your knees deeply. Press the floor firmly. And slowly lower your heels onto the mat. Feel the stability and strength of your body. Slowly place your knees on the mat. Come back to table position. Step your left leg forward. Bring your right knee backward. And come up. Take your pelvis. Follow your breath. Inhale. Exhale, bend your left knee. Inhale, straighten your left knee. Exhale, come forward. Inhale, bring your hips back. Maintain your balance. Feel the energy through your legs. You're supported. You're grounded. Next time you come forward, stay here. Place your palms on your left thighs. When you are ready, reach your arms up over your head, low lunge. Relax your shoulders. Broaden your chest. Lower your arms. Come into modified side plank. Turn your body to the right side. Place your right palm on the mat. Reach your left arm up and over. Big side body stretch into the left side of your body. As you exhale, lower your left arm, come back to center. Half split pose. Extend your left knee and fold forward over your left leg. Bring your hips to the right heel. Okay, bend your left knee, kick your right heel back. Energize your legs. Lengthen your spine long. Okay, then come into Warrior 2. Bend your left knee deeply. Extend your arms wide. Open your chest. Inhale, take the left wrist with your right hand. Lean to the right. And exhale to Warrior 2. Inhale, side body stretch, lengthening your left knee. And exhale to Warrior 2, go deeper. Inhale up. And exhale to lower. Stay here. Take another breath. Lower your arms, come back to downward facing dog. This is the last down dog in this class. You can add any movement. Feel the stability and strength of your body. Then walk your hands back towards the feet. We're gonna move into Garland pose, Malasana. Widen your feet and turn your knees and toes outward. Gather your palms at your heart center. And push your thighs with your elbows to stay open. Feel the ground with your feet. Your spine is nice and long. Okay, then raise your arms. Sit on the mat. Extend your legs forward. Bend your right knee and place the sole of your right foot in front of your right sitting bone. Wrap your left arm around your right knee. Right hand goes behind. Inhale, sit up tall. And exhale, gently twist to the right. Root down your sitting bones. Feel grounded and supported by the earth. Gently release. Move into Janusirsi-asana. Bring the sole of your right foot to your inner left thigh. Place your hands alongside your left leg. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward over your left leg. If you like, you can take left foot from outside with your right hand to deepen your fold forward. Soften your shoulders. Relax your head. You're supported. You're grounded. Slowly roll up and switch sides. And this time bend your left knee. Hug your left knee with your right hand. Twist to the left side. Inhale, lengthen your spine long. And exhale, squeeze your belly. Find stillness in the pose. Slowly come out from the pose. Drop your left knee open and place it to your inner right thigh. Gently turn your torso towards your right leg. As you exhale, hinge from your hips, fold forward. Maybe you can take your right leg from outside with your left hand. Surrender to gravity. Feel the stretch in the back of your right leg as well as lower back. Take another breath. Okay, come up slowly. You can use your hands for support. Release your legs. Shake your legs from side to side. And pata pata. Alright, then come into a cross-legged position. Rest your palms on your thighs with your eyes closed. Feel the earth beneath you. You are supported. You are grounded. You are supported. You are grounded. Feel the rebound of the practice. Bring your hands together at your heart center. Gently bow forward in gratitude to yourself, to the earth, and to this practice. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Carry this beautiful energy with you through the rest of your day. Have a good day, and we'll see you again soon.